How to create H&R Block account. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to teach you on how can you create your H&R Block account. So first of all, what you have to do is simply open your Google Chrome web browser, and then after navigate to the official H&R Block website, which is www.hrblock.com, and hit enter. So H&R Block is basically a company that provides tax preparation and financial services. It is one of the largest tax preparation firms in the United States, and it has also a significant presence in Canada and Australia as well. H&R Block offers tax preparation services in person and online, financial services, educational resources, and a year-round assistance. After you reach to the official website of HR and Block, you have to click on sign in option, which is on the top right hand side of here you can see the option of create account. Simply tap on it. You'll be directed to this page. In order to create your account, you need to enter your email, your password, and then confirm the password. The password must be 8 to 30 characters long. It must contain one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one special character, and also one number. After you enter all of this information, check on this box and click on Next. After that, you need to verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to the email you're provided during the registration process. Here is the code I have been provided for the verification. Simply copy and paste over here. Now you need to enter your first name and your last name and simply add your number. After this process, you need to choose the security options like security questions or two-factor authentication in order to protect your account. And finally, you have to agree to the terms and conditions of using H&R Block services after reading them carefully, and your registration process will be completed. This is how you can create H&R Block account. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.